Hello guys, welcome back to How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to get back your Snapchat streaks. It'll be an easy process, so hang on till the end and you'll be able to do it in no time. First of all, tap open Snapchat. Then you'll be in this page of Snapchat. Then you can see a chat icon on the bottom of your page. You have to tap on that. After tapping, you'll be on a chat list of Snapchat. So in Snapchat, streaks is something that comes after you send your friend snaps and they send you back another snap. Now I'm going to show you guys the process of starting a streaks. As you can see, I don't have any streaks with my friend Anne. So first I'll start by sending him a snap by tapping on the camera icon besides him. After tapping it, you can send a snap to your friends. In my case, I'm sending it to Anne by searching him in my friend list. You can also send it to other friends if you want to. After this, all you can do is wait for your friend to send you a snap back. If they send you a snap back, then your streaks will immediately start. As you can see in my screen, one streak has started. Now, to maintain these streaks, you guys have to send each other snaps every day. So this was it for the video. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.